If Trello is showing an error loading message and your board refuses to open, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in most cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through every proven solution step by step, so you can get back to your work without losing time. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last fix solves the problem when nothing else works. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical software fixes. Let's start with the simplest and most effective fix, performing a hard refresh. Many times, Trello fails to load because your browser is using outdated cached files. Instead of clicking the normal refresh button, press Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload the page and clear temporary cached content. Once the page reloads, check if your board opens properly. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to log out of Trello completely and log back in. Sometimes your login session expires or becomes corrupted in the background. Logging out refreshes your authentication token and often fixes loading errors instantly. After logging back in, try opening the board again. Now let's check your internet connection. Trello relies heavily on real-time syncing, and even a slightly unstable connection can trigger loading errors. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. If possible, switch to another network temporarily. You can also turn off your VPN if you're using one, since VPNs sometimes interfere with Trello's connection. Another quick test is using your mobile hotspot just to see if the board loads there. If the issue continues, it's time to clear your browser cache manually. Go into your browser settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cached images and files. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely. Don't just minimize it, then reopen it and try Trello again. Next, open Trello in Incognito or Private mode. This disables most extensions by default. If Trello loads correctly in Incognito mode, then the problem is almost certainly caused by a browser extension. Go back to your normal browser window and disable extensions one by one, refreshing Trello each time until you find the one causing the issue. Another helpful step is trying a different browser altogether. If you're using Chrome, test Trello in Microsoft Edge or Firefox. If you're on Edge, try Chrome. If it works in another browser, you'll know the problem is browser-specific and not related to your Trello account. You should also check whether Trello's servers are experiencing issues. Visit the official Atlassian status page and look for any ongoing outages related to Trello. If there's a reported issue, the only solution is to wait until their team resolves it. Now here's something many people overlook. If only one specific board is failing to load while others work fine, the issue may be caused by a corrupted power-up or automation. In that case, contact the board admin and ask them to temporarily disable power-ups and automations to test whether one of them is causing the error. In almost every case, the Trello error loading problem is caused by cached files, browser extensions, VPN conflicts, or unstable internet connections. Following these steps carefully will solve the issue for the vast majority of users. If this tutorial helped you fix your Trello board, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.